What happened here today was really the celebration of a collaboration between many partners that culminated in the installation of solar panels on one of our homeowners' house. These partners, AES Solar, Elevate Energy, Grid Alternatives, LSSI of Southern Illinois, all came together to provide this at no cost to our homeowner, and it will reduce her energy consumption dramatically.
We're the nation's largest solar installer, and we serve underserved communities and low-income housing so that they can have access to this coming green energy economy. Over the last couple weeks, we've been training 10 trainees through the Lutheran Social Services of Southern Illinois, and we've been doing this in partnership with Elevate Energy as part of the Future Energy Jobs Act. And so we've got 10 trainees that identify as part of the reentry community, and they're gearing up to get solar skills and get hands-on experience so they can hopefully get a job in this coming solar industry in Southern Illinois.
I've learned how to install solar panels. We learned computer skills, and the people there are marvelous, so it's really good work.
June 4th was 19 years doing solar here in Southern Illinois. I'm very excited to finally see solar going mainstream. To see more local professional solar installers pop up, it fills my heart with joy.
So not only are we saving energy for the homeowner, but we're also training some people on how to install the solar panels and learning about that process. So in Southern Illinois, coal is really big, but there's other things too, is solar, and of course we don't have wind down here as far as those types of things to create power for us, but this is another viable source of energy is solar. So proud to be a part of this today, and thank you for all the people that have participated, volunteered, those of you that are having the opportunity to come and learn.
Last week we started getting them certified in OSHA 10 safety, also giving them a background as to all the different types of energy sources, because a lot of folks come from having a background working in the coal industry, and so how does that identity from being an energy worker, how can we expand that to be evolving to include the coming clean energy technologies? And so we had a lot of good conversation about that, and then we started practicing some of the hands-on skills like conduit bending, doing roof layouts, and now we finally came out on this roof out here with Habitat for Humanity so we can put those skills into action and install an actual solar system for Lisa Shepard, who's a client with Habitat for Humanity.
And when I heard solar panels, that was it. And then I wasn't really sure, I couldn't remember everything he said after that, so I had to call him the next day because I thought he told me that they were going to install solar panels and they were going to teach me how to do it. And I thought, well, that worked. Sweat equity for building a house, that's pretty good, but I don't know about getting up on a ladder.
And so when she called me back a day or so later to get the clarification, we worked through that, and she was much relieved that she wasn't going to be the one installing the solar.
My role is I'm in training with Grid Alternatives to learn how to do solar panel installation and to learn how to, the electric work, and hopefully it'll lead to more. I'm gonna pursue a career in this field.
It enhances the community, it enhances your neighborhood, and it brings up the property value. And it gives the person a fresh start and a good sense of well-being about themselves, having been accomplished to something.